travesty of justice. On the day 5 after he first assaulted an Air India official for not being able to provide him with a business class seat, and after going on national television, virtually telling the entire world that yes, he did beat up the Air India employee not once, not twice, but 25 times. Today, it was the members of parliament who were expressing outrage on the floor of both the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. They questioned how could any airline ban the travel of Ravindra Vishwanath Gaikwad, the very famous, infamous, we must say, member of parliament of the Shiv Sena. The question is, should the members of parliament be talking about their privileges, or should they be apologizing about what was meted out to that Air India official? We'll debate that, and joining me this evening, Bijon Mishra, Citizen Voice, joining me live in the studios in Noida. Shazia Ilmi, leader of the BJP. Naveen Chomal, counsel for the Member of Parliament Ravindra Gaikwad. Maduresh, activist, also with us. Suhail Seth, author and columnist, with us from Mumbai. Saurabh Pant, stand-up comedian, also with us. And Hussain Dalwai, Member of Parliament of Rajya Sabha, also joining us. But Suhail Seth, I'd like to come across to you first. Do you think members of parliament have any right to talk about their privileges on an incident which has been seen by everybody in this country? There is video footage, there is the national bragging of the member of parliament Ravindra Vishwanath Gaikwad himself, where he's admitted not only about not disembarking from the aeroplane for nearly an hour after it had landed, but also beating up an Air India employee. After this, do members of parliament have the right to get together and demand their privileges be restored, and that the ban on flying of Ravindra Gaikwad be withdrawn?
See, shame is not a virtue with some of our members of parliament. There are some who are extremely dignified and decent, but there are some who are absolute louts and thugs. Gaikwad sadly belongs to the latter category. To expect him to be decent, well-behaved and disciplined is a travesty. Having said that, some members of parliament believe that their entitlement allows them to indulge in the most despicable form of behavior. Gaikwad is symptomatic of that entitlement. He's symptomatic of that depravity. He's symptomatic, to my mind, of that high-handedness. I'm delighted that Air India and all the other airlines put him on a no-fly list. He should be on a no-fly list for the rest of his life. So he doesn't deserve to be in the company of normal human beings. Because if he believes that as a parliamentary member...
So he'll say, according to the parliamentarians, you are being unfair to them, because you've not heard Gaikwad's side of the story.
Not at all.
You've not
I'm being unfair to Gaikwad.
You did not see the fact that after he hit the duty manager 25 times with the slippers, he was perhaps he was shoved a bit. And they told him, they tried to hold it, they tried to restrain him. That is
I'm only going by...
That's what they have argued in parliament today. Can you believe it?
So whichever member of parliament believes that, only needs to look at Gaikwad's self-utterances, where he brags about his misbehavior, where he brags about his high-handedness, and to my mind, Anand brags about his inhumanity. So, you know, if members of parliament believe that we need an investigation post a confession, some of them are being utterly stupid and living in denial, and they must remember, as the Prime Minister
let's get in Hussain Dalwai, who's also a member of parliament in the Rajya Sabha. Hussain Dalwai, the question is, do members of parliament think about their privileges first before they think about the common man? Are you representatives of people to think about yourself and your privileges before you actually think about people? Are you there to fight for laws that are applied to any unruly passenger that would have been applied if it was me or Mr. Suhail Seth or Anand Narasimhan? Any of us would have these laws being applied to us. According to the Civil Aviation Requirements, Section 3, if we demonstrated any unruly behavior, we would be in the no-fly list. Why do you want special treatment for Mr. Ravindra Vishwanath Gaikwad? The only special treatment that he deserves is that he should be put behind bars for the criminal offense that he has committed.
He's in prison. Absolutely.
Absolutely. You see, I won't justify his act of hitting the person, hitting the Air India officer. No doubt he has done the wrong thing, and FIR is registered against him. The case will go on. It will take legal thing. I don't defend him. But the thing is that why that officer was shouting at him, he was again and again pleading him that you sit here and talk to me peacefully.
No,
he was
Mr.
not
Dalwai,
in that position.
Mr. Dalwai, may I make a small submission?
He delayed the flight for 40 minutes, sir. He had delayed a further 115
Mr.
people,
Dalwai,
sir.
can I make
How
a
is that
small
how is that
submission?
fair?
If he's beating up somebody with 25 slippers that have been meted out to this Air India official.
That is wrong, and he will have to go through that punishment.
And you're complaining about raising of voice?
I don't justify it. I don't
why should all members of parliament get
when
together?
people shout at you in parliament, do you beat them with a slipper?
I don't defend. That doesn't make any sense. You just basically
Mr. Hussain,
violence.
Hussain Saab, when people shout at each other in parliament, do you hit them with a slipper?
But there are two sides, not only one side. Why he was so much angry? That also you will have to
There is only one side
through.
of the truth.
Mr. Dalwai, Mr. Dalwai, with due respect, sir, nothing justifies this person who knew he is going to travel economy. He was told that he will sit on the first seat because this flight does not have a business class. He delayed the flight by 40 minutes, sir. He refused to get off the plane. He said, call the CMD of Air India, otherwise I'm not getting off the plane. Do you know who I am? I am an MP, he said. Sir, he's first
Hussain Saab,
a citizen of the country, sir. He had no business behaving like that. So he can't just say they spoke rudely to me. Sir, if you delay the plane these days, people, the entire aircraft will turn around and say, thank you very much for at least turning up. There is outrage if you delay the flight by 5 to 7 minutes, sir. He delayed the flight by 40 minutes.
अरे ये डिले किया वो बिल्कुल गलत बात है, लेकिन कभी-कभी हम 3 घंटे बैठे रहते हैं।
हुसैन साहब ने ठीक कहा।
सर, हुसैन साहब एक और दलील जरा
अरे एक मिनट, तो आप क्या कैप्टन को जूते मारेंगे?
आप जरा सोचते
हुसैन साहब आपने बहुत सही फरमाया।
एयरलाइंस आजकल
आपने सही फरमाया। मैं आपको एक प्रश्न पूछूं?
10,000 का टिकट मिलता है, जहां वो 40,000 50,000 जहां ये जाटों का।
फिर आप मत जाइए, आप तो वैसे भी फ्री जाते हैं। पार्लियामेंट के कोटा से तो आपको फ्री टिकट मिल रहा है।
Not doing the job properly. You're saying that they should be hit because they're not doing the job properly. But that same logic, if a politician is not doing the job properly, are you absolutely fine with that being hurt? That's effectively what you're saying. वो अच्छा काम नहीं कर रहा था, उसको पीट दो, सीधा बात।
1 minute,
हुसैन साहब,
gentlemen,
हुसैन साहब,
1 minute,
हुसैन साहब, जब पार्लियामेंट डिसरप्ट होता है, जब आप लोग एक दूसरे को गालियां देते हैं, कोई आपको क्या स्लिपर से मारता है?
Okay, let's take that question to Hussain Dalwai.
ये क्या तहजीब है हुसैन साहब?
Sir,
डिस्ट्रप्शन होता है, ये सही बात है, लेकिन गालियां देते नहीं।
सबका सवाल एक ही है हुसैन साहब।
आप ऐसा कि हम लोगों को गुनहगारों के कटरे में खड़े करके इस तरह से बात करते हैं जैसे कि ऑल पॉलिटिशियंस आर वेरी बैड, दे आर क्रिमिनल्स। Who is a criminal?
When politicians
I started by saying there are many decent MPs.
Hussain साहब, मैं आपसे एक सवाल नहीं, एक मिनट, लेट्स गेट सम डेकोरम बैक ऑन द पैनल। हुसैन साहब, आपसे सबका सवाल एक है कि आप जैसे रिस्पेक्टेबल नेताज भी होते हैं। सवाल ये है कि जब कोई एक दूसरे से डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन होता है तो क्या सब एक दूसरे को चप्पल से पीटना शुरू कर देते हैं? पॉइंट नंबर 1, क्या ये मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट को ऐसा करना चाहिए था? पॉइंट नंबर 2 और पॉइंट नंबर 3, हुसैन साहब, सारे पार्लियामेंटेरियन इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं जब उनकी प्रिविलेज की बात आती है। आप सही गलत की बात नहीं कर रहे, आप देश में किसी आम आदमी को मारा गया उसकी बात नहीं कर रहे, आप पीपल्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हैं, लेकिन आपका आम आदमी की तरफ ध्यान नहीं जा रहा है। आपका ध्यान जा रहा है तो सिर्फ एक मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट और उसके राइट्स की तरफ जा रहा है। इट इज दिस प्रिविलेज दैट पीपल आर questioning. How can you actually talk about the rights of Mr. Ravindra Vishwanath Gaikwad when he is the one who's taken the human right away from Mr. Sukumar, the Air India employee? That's the question people are asking you, Mr. Hussain.
Should I answer now?
जी
एक तो पहले उसने मारना नहीं चाहिए था, बिल्कुल गलत है, मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ। फिर उसने प्रिविलेज की जो बात करते हैं, हम लोगों के प्रिविलेज है, ये सही बात है, लेकिन प्रिविलेज का ही मामला इतना है, जो बेचारे दूसरे पैसेंजर्स होते हैं उनको भी तकलीफ दी जाती है। मैं जो उदाहरण देता हूँ आपको, 3 घंटे बिठा के रखते हैं, एयरक्राफ्ट नहीं होते, ऐसा बोलते हैं।
खराब लगता है हुसैन साहब,
दूसरी बात ऐसी है
कि अगर आपको खराब लगता है,
कि जरा सुनिए,
जी ठीक है, आप बोलिए, आप तीसरी बात बोलिए,
ऐसा क्या करते हो आप?
तीसरी बात बोलिए, फिर मैं आप तीसरी बात
ऐसी है कि एयर इंडिया नहीं, सारे एयरलाइंस के स्टाफ कितने खराब तरह से लोगों से तरीके पे आते हैं, मालूम है क्या आपको? हमसे जरा डरते हैं।
सब लोग मारना शुरू करते हैं क्या सर? सब लोग मारना शुरू करते हैं क्या सर? सर सब लोग क्या, अगर एयर इंडिया का स्टाफ बैडली ट्रीट करता है तो मारना शुरू कर दे सर? सब लोग मारना शुरू कर दे क्या एयर इंडिया के स्टाफ को?
I don't justify that, madam. I don't justify. That is wrong.
Hussain Saab,
the case is going on against him.
I know. Wait,
They will not take its course.
No. One sec. Hussain Saab, there's just one submission. अगर आपको ये खराब लगता है कि एयर इंडिया की फ्लाइट डिले होती है, आपको वेट करना पड़ता है, वहाँ का स्टाफ आपसे ठीक से बात नहीं करता, तो आपको सबसे पहले इस बात पे गुस्सा होना चाहिए था और आपको ये कहना चाहिए कि रविंद्र गायकवाड ने 115 पैसेंजर्स को वेट कराया, जो फ्लाइट में बैठे थे उनको भी वेट कराया। वो फ्लाइट तो दिल्ली से आगे जा रही थी।
नॉट ओनली दैट,
वो दिल्ली से आगे गोवा जा रही थी, वो जहां भी जा रहे
दे आर द लॉ मेकर्स भाई।
हाँ नहीं, ऑनवर्ड कहीं उन्होंने क्या बोला कि मेरे पास बिजनेस क्लास है, फिर भी मुझे इकोनॉमी में बिठाया, सीएमडी को बुलाओ, मैं बात करना ये कोई तरीका हुआ? इसकी निंदा क्यों कोई नहीं कर रहा?
नहीं, ये तरीका नहीं है भाई, उसका जस्टिफाई नहीं करता।
तो फिर यही तो हम कह रहे हैं, तो फिर उनकी बात सुनने की,
सर आप माफी मांग लीजिए ना, इसके बिहाफ
क्या सुने हम? उनकी तरफ का क्या सुने हम? जब गलती उनकी है तो फिर उनको सिर्फ माफी मांगनी चाहिए, वो माफी मांगे उसके बाद उनकी बात सुनेंगे।
सर अगली बार मतलब अगर कोई एयरलाइन मुझे बुरी तरह ट्रीट करेगी, मैं चप्पल से मारूंगा, बोलेगा कि ये मेरा राइट टू रिड्रेसल है, एमपीज भी ऐसा ही करते हैं, मैं भी ऐसा ही करूंगा, सीधी सी बात है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अगर आपको ये राइट है तो मुझे भी राइट है।
नॉट ओनली दैट,
simple fact, Mr. Bejon Mishra, if Mr. Ravindra Gaikwad is so upset with the quality of service that is being given by Air India, these days the parliament gives free tickets to fly on any other airline as well. Why doesn't he exercise? Yeah, why doesn't he exercise his right and go by another airline? The question is, can he take law into his own hands and begin?
For him, it is not available from coming to Pune to Delhi. It is not available at that time.
कोई बात नहीं।
And if in that flight there is no business class available, you will start beating up the employees of the airline.
Please
because
remember,
there is no business class available. That is the point, Mr. Dalwai. Everybody is asking, why do members of parliament have such a huge sense of entitlement? कि आपको free ticket चाहिए, आपको free ticket और business class ticket भी चाहिए, और बिजनेस क्लास टिकट नहीं होगा तो आप मारना शुरू कर देंगे लोगों को। ये क्या सेंस ऑफ एंटाइटलमेंट होती है एक मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट?
Navika, see the point. You know, let me come in. No, let me come in. 1 minute, please.
This is not a schedule.
1 minute, please.
One at a time. 1 minute. Bejon Mishra is making a point, and after that I'll come to you, Shazia Ilmi. Bejon Mishra.
You see, the member of the parliament has the right to change rules and regulations in the parliament. That is their responsibility. If they want to introduce a business class aircraft in the morning to bring MPs or any passengers, then they have the right to put a representation before the aviation ministry, put it up into the parliament and get a regulation done. That is their work. Their work is not to take law into their own hand. And if he has done that, he's confessed it on the camera, he should go and surrender before the police based on an FIR which has been lodged, and should say that I'm ashamed to be
Ajlan Mishra, I register a serious offence on behalf of the people of the country to MPs who believe कि अगर इस सेक्टर में business class नहीं है तो ये गलत, ये हमारे साथ नाइंसाफी है. How dare you say something like that?
हम ये बोल रहे हैं. No, Anand, I am saying...
You travel in economy, you travel in cattle class because it is the cattle who have elected you in the first place.
Absolutely, I agree with you. But what I am trying to tell you, Anand, is that their work is to bring regulations and laws. That is their prime responsibility.
Their responsibility is not... उसको front row में सबसे ज़्यादा legroom वाली जगह पे बिठाया, वहाँ भी उसको तकलीफ है. Look at this guy's attitude.
You know something? You know something? There is a discrimination. We can't get that front row seats.
Sir,
because it's been kept for the MPs in all airlines.
Sir,
in all airlines.
No, sir, the blood boils because he's right from the beginning. How dare anybody? I have great respect.
That's what I'm saying.
So parliamentarians who have stood in his defense today.
No,
but Shazia Ilmi,
Anand,
what stands out? No, what stands out is bringing in Shazia Ilmi and also Naveen Chomar. But for Shazia,
no, cosmetic. You see, the cosmetic FIR will not work.
These people are refusing to see that he was wrong from the beginning. His protocol officer was told that there is no business class. They said आपको front seat में बिठाएंगे.
No, you're right, Anand. There is no justification whatsoever.
Why did he take that flight if he did not want to travel economy?
There is no. Agreed. But more importantly, and the bigger point is that there is no justification whatsoever for this despicable and, as I say, depraved behavior. First of all, he's a member of parliament. He's been there to reflect the will of his constituency. Every poor and rich and constituent of the constituency he comes from, he's there in the parliament and he owes all the privileges and prerogatives on the basis of that. He's been elected to power to make laws. You cannot have a goon and a rogue like that who believes in violence.
Shazia Ilmi, can you assure people of this country, Shazia Ilmi, that your government, your party's government that is in power, Shazia Ilmi, will not dilute the no-fly ban that has been imposed on Ravindra Gaikwad? The question is all the Shiv Sena members of parliament. 1 minute.
You heard what Civil Aviation Minister said.
Today, all the Shiv Sena MPs went and met with the Speaker. The Speaker also called the Civil Aviation Minister. 1 minute, Shazia Ilmi, please listen to the question.
Nobody is justifying.
The Speaker has directed the Civil Aviation Minister to find an amicable solution. Now, what is an amicable solution?
Lead of the hour.
What is the amicable solution?
May I come in?
Which is why I'm asking you very directly tonight, will you assure this country that the government will not pressurize the Air India to take back the ban?
You don't decide for Shazia Ilmi. When we come, नहीं जब आपको बोलने का मौका नहीं दिया था आपको पता है ना आपको फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो रही है ना नहीं उस ड्यूटी मैनेजर की हालत देखो जब उसको चप्पल मारा था उसकी हालत देख रहे हो आपको बोलने का मौका नहीं दिया आप तड़प रहे हो तब से 24 minutes into the debate Naveen Chomar representing Ravindra Gaikwad has not spoken और वो तड़प रहे बोलने के लिए you don't decide for Shazia Ilmi, you wait sir, you please wait आज रुकिए आज देखिए कि आम आदमी कितना घुटता है when he sees these privileges being claimed by these netas ये घुटन हो रही है ना आपको sir, this is how a common man feels. This is how that 60-year-old duty manager felt when he was told that for 40 minutes some neta has thought that this is my private airline और मैं रोकूंगा.
So the fact of the matter is the Speaker has clearly said that this did not happen in the Parliament, but this is most condemnable in every sense of the word. Air India has totally grounded this fellow and other airlines have followed. The Civil Aviation Ministry took very clearly, the Minister himself said, backed this move of Air India and actually said that this should not have happened and quoted the change of law that happened in the year 2006. The fact of the matter is that this cannot be defended by anybody, but it is being defended by Shiv Sena, which is shameful, and Air India is being vilified. I think we should all back Air India and all of the airlines.
So what action on the FIR?
And all action that needs to be taken, even at home turf in Maharashtra.
But so Shazia Ilmi, the FIR was registered. The FIR was registered after 36 hours, Shazia Ilmi. Now it's your government in the state of Maharashtra. It's your government in the state of Delhi. Where is the arrest of Ravindra Gaikwad? My question to you simply is, Shazia Ilmi, let's not do political grandstanding over here.
I don't know when the.
I want to know, after 36 hours, 36 hours के बाद FIR register हुई, and now three days later, no arrest of Ravindra Gaikwad. Why would you have left a common man off the hook if we had beaten up a member of parliament? हमने अगर मारा होता member of parliament को, आप हमें छोड़ देते क्या for 72 hours?
On the behavior of this despicable behavior of this parliamentarian.
Where a gentleman
we all know that. We all know that.
And taken off the flight because he created a furor in the flight. He was handcuffed and taken off.
So I can't speak for the police of both the states, and I'm sure if there's an FIR, there would be action.
No, look what the
No. There will be action. No, there should be action. Immediate action.
Stop doing that. Okay, you know what he said? It doesn't matter. I have many charges against me. This is Ravindra Gaikwad saying this. Sir, Sohail Seth, Madhuresh, Bejon Mishra, can you and me say this?
Anand.
Can you and me say front row do, nahi to main utrunga nahi. I will not get out. Can we do that?
Anand.
Can we do that, sir? We can't do that. How dare
No, we will be thrown out.
Anand, I just want to make a point.
Offloaded. We will be offloaded with the help of police.
हमारे वोट पे वो गए हैं सदन में, तो उनको अगर privileges accord हो रहे हैं तो वो उनकी मिल्कियत नहीं है. Air India is funded by the exchequer, by the taxpayers.
He should be immediately arrested.
Public funds. It's a public airline. It's India's airline. It's not their personal.
He should be arrested.
No.
May I make a suggestion?
We have to.
Nothing less than an immediate arrest.
May I make a
Naveen Chomal,
I want to make two quick points.
Feel it.
Okay.
Then you can let
1 minute. Suhail Seth coming in and then
I want to make.
we'll go back
He should
to
be
Naveen
immediately
Chomal.
arrested.
Yes, Suhail Seth, please.
Sohail Seth.
I want to make two quick points. Just two quick points. Number one, this is symptomatic to my mind of the brazenness which these MPs have begun actually to believe in. They believe they're above the law, they're not lawmakers. Number two, I think it's not about the government or parliament or the speaker. I'm ashamed that a person who is an elected representative of the people has hit one of the people. The issue is he's hit a person who's a common man first and a government officer later.
सुनिए नवीन जी, नवीन जी सुनिए.
That they should travel by boat.
Now who's interrupting here?
They cannot be.
नवीन जी उनकी बात सुनिए.
This is the lawyer of the very
Mr. Chopra, is his name Naveen?
Chomal, Mr. Naveen
Is his name
Chomal.
Naveen?
Yes, Naveen Chomal. Naveen Chomal, he's the lawyer of the infamous member of
Mr.
Parliament, Ravindra Gaikwad.
Naveen ji,
give eloquent speeches condemning one person.
Naveen, this is not. Naveen, this is not your local akhada, so let people speak.
Yeah, and this is the news hour. This is the news hour, sir. This is the news hour, sir.
Let people speak.
And you will allow the other panelists to speak. Naveen ji, please wait. Naveen Chomal, please wait. Naveen Chomal, please wait.
The law of the land.
The frustration is showing. The frustration.
The law of the land
if it's not showing, then
Naveen ji, the law of the land.
353 and 355 have been applied on Mr.
Naveen ji,
Gaikwad.
Naveen ji,
the law of the land.
One minute.
The law of the land says that.
Naveen ji.
The law of the land says that he should be arrested and put behind bars for at least 2 years if these charges are proven against him.
The fact that you are wrong. The fact that you are defending him is your professional choice.
Naveen ji.
But ethically, I feel you are
Naveen ji,
wrong.
can I tell you one thing?
Also, you're wrong.
Can I tell you one thing?
But Sohail Seth.
Okay.
No. Naveen, you are the worst defender of a barbaric and despicable act. I'll tell you why. Don't read out the law, read out the spirit. Do you really believe that members of parliament should be going around and beating people?
Did I say so?
Is that what you believe in? Is that the human being that you are?
Did I say so? What sort
you
of
just said that that's not the law.
What sort of argument are you making?
You just said it.
Did I ever say so? You are just putting.
What sort of stupid logic do you have?
Caliber? Is this your caliber?
You just said it.
Esteemed channel. Did I ever say so? I am trying to explain how the law functions and what the law will take its own course. And
One minute.
Don't tell us how the law functions.
No, law doesn't function.
We are much more law-abiding citizens
I'm
than you or
responding to
your
that
client
ridiculous
has ever
logic
been.
of yours.
What ridiculous logic? Did you even hear me?
You cannot tell us we are law-abiding citizens much more than your client has been or demonstrated, Mr. Naveen Chomal. But let me get in Madhuresh, who hasn't spoken yet and has been patiently listening.
I am seeking a chance to speak.
You have registered your protest and you have spoken more than Madhuresh.
Yes, you have spoken, but let me get in Maduresh before I come back to you. Maduresh, please.
But I need a chance to speak and explain all the emotional outbursts.
Yeah, we'll give you as much chance as Ravindra Gaikwad gave the Air India duty manager.
Bring in.
Yes, Madhuresh.
I'm just bringing in a couple of points. I think the fact remains that this is symptomatic of the breach of privilege, and the breach of privilege by the members of parliament, as well as it shows the arrogance of power, which anybody who has this heightened sense of entitlement does this in this country. And they know that they can go scot-free. The law is very different for them. And this is not only the section of the members of parliament, but also MLAs, their sons, their daughters, the rich, elite, they all enjoy this. We should not forget the case of the Jessica Lal murder, where somebody was shot dead simply because she didn't serve a drink or something like that. And same way in like Manipur's chief minister's son, who is just behind the bar for shooting someone because somebody overtook the car. These instances keep happening in this country and they go unpunished, and that's what encourages them, and that's why a member of parliament can come and say, "हाँ मैंने पीटा, आपको जो करना है कर लो." और 3-5 दिन बाद भी बैठ करके we are still debating this.
No, not just that, Madhuresh.
Going to help.
हाँ मैंने पीटा और उसके बाद मेरी कोई नहीं सुनता.
Action.
हाँ मैंने पीटा, पर आप जानिए तो सही मैंने क्यों पीटा?
कोई एक्शन लेगा नहीं तो क्या होगा? Delhi police, why is not acting? Delhi police should act now.
Exactly.
Delhi police has
exactly.
been very
Why is the
efficient when
Delhi
it comes
police
to
not
other
acting?
members of
If an MP behaves
assembly
badly in
and
an
whatever,
office, in a
and what is Home Minister doing?
all
Should
policies
they
should
be
get together
taking
and ban
action?
them.
No, not just ban. The fact is
And
that
that's a
other
question I think
airlines have
Bharatiya
decided
Janata Party,
we don't want a potential.
they cannot
We don't
hide
want
and say that
another
condemnable.
chappal beating.
We
incident
want
on
to
our-
see
on our-
strong action.
Any restaurant in
does
this country, it
Sukumar
says
have
rights
no
to admission
rights?
reserved. I think that's within the rights of the airlines.
Does
to say we
Sukumar
don't
have
want
no
to
rights
serve you.
in this country?
We are of the service industry. I actually think this should be the precedent across the country. Anytime an MP behaves badly in a college, in a school, in a hospital, ban them universally. Everyone get together, because obviously the law is not working in our favor.
Right, 33 minutes into the debate, Naveen
Absolutely.
Chomal. Naveen Chomal. Bejon Mishra, let Naveen Chomal come in, but let me tell you, Naveen Chomal, the sentiment of the people today is not with you, is not with Ravindra Gaikwad. They say you might have chosen as a professional choice to become his lawyer, but morally, ethically, for the people, Ravindra Gaikwad is wrong. They have already passed their judgment.
It's a lost case.
In the people's court.
It's a
And I'm
lost
being very
case.
direct with you. Will you be bold enough to admit that what Ravindra Gaikwad did was wrong?
Am I getting the opportunity to speak?
See, now that was unwarranted, because I said Naveen Chomal has not spoken. Now this is theatrics which Naveen Chomal is
Are you
involved
doing
into.
this for
I think
effect,
this
Mr.
Ravindra
Naveen
Gaikwad has rubbed
Chomal?
off on
Because
it.
this
Naveen
is
Chomal,
not
go
a
ahead.
stage, Mr. Chomal, this is not a stage for you to do theatrics and start doing one-liners for effect. Make your point,
That is
otherwise we'll go to
Saurabh
the
Khan's
next
job, but he's taken
panelist.
it.
Make your point as soon as you can.
See, I am sadly surprised and also angered that why are you unnecessarily ridiculing me? I am trying to make some very logical points. So if I get a proper honorable
I'll tell
time
you,
to speak,
before you
I
start
like to
giving
speak.
your logical
Otherwise,
points, I'll give you one reason why everybody
you
is
George
treating you like
Dana?
that. Because you are representing a man called Ravindra Vishwanath Gaikwad, a man who's beaten up an Aam Aadmi first, Mr. Sukumar, a 60-year-old man, एक बार नहीं 25 बार.
And it's on
ये
camera.
उन्होंने कहा
He has
है,
confessed on camera.
इसलिए आपको ridicule किया जा रहा है. Now you can make your point.
And look who's playing the victim card suddenly on the news hour tonight. That's also come from the client. The victim playing the victim card is also he's picked that up too. But Naveen Chomal, with due respect to you, sir, it is a debate, and we are echoing the people's sentiment. Please make your point. What is defensible about Ravindra Gaikwad's action?
Why did you call me on the channel to ridicule me?
No, sir.
Did I even get a proper chance to speak?
Now
nation is
he's
watching.
playing the emotional card. Let's not get swayed.
Yes, sir, the
nation is
What is
watching,
the
so
one
make your
single
point.
point that you
What
can
is the
say
point you will make?
What is the point?
Defend
What is the
Ravindra
point?
Gaikward's action.
If such a
Cut
distinct
through
channel
the
is behaving in this
chase.
manner,
Cut through the chase.
What
Get
point
to
you have
the
got to
point.
make?
cut through the chase and get to the point. Mr. Naveen Chomal, I'm giving you exactly 60 seconds to respond and make your points.
And supposing I want something a little more time because you have given other people more time.
You can make suppositions.
We'll see if you're making valid points. We'll give you time.
Don't waste time.
Sir, this is the news hour. You're lucky if you get 50 seconds.
One single point with which you can defend Ravindra Gaikwad.
Then I don't have a point. Then I don't want to speak. If
you don't have a
give me a
point,
chance.
sir, should we put that on record that you don't have a point?
Whatever you interpret.
Should we put that on record?
Whatever you interpret.
Naveen,
I got many things to say. I got many points to reply to all our panelists.
Go ahead.
So make your point. Naveen Chomal, this is your last chance. Make your point.
Start.
Madam, it is something like this, that nobody is justifying the violence first. But here we have to take into account what is the law of our land, and law will definitely take its own course. So naturally the act what Mr. Gaikwad did is prima facie condemnable, definitely. But the emotional outburst cannot override the law. Law has its certain procedures and the quantum of punishment. So if the quantum of punishment goes by the emotions of a common man,
the first point that
sir, even 60 seconds are not.
No, I know. I am asking you only.
Even 60 seconds have not got over.
A small intervention, please.
Sir,
I'm politely
how do I get my link to speak?
Yeah, no, I'll politely. Sir, I'm just asking.
There is one chorus singing and on one side, and somebody trying to say something very logical.
Naveen, you're sitting right next to me. Please hear me out. I'm just requesting you. I'm asking you, sir. Before this entire hitting incident happened, you know when the duty manager came into the aircraft?
He was the second or third, fourth person.
40 minutes later. 20, at least, say for the benefit of Mr. Ravindra Gaikwad, though I don't want to give him any, 20 minutes later, 20 minutes of delaying the aircraft later is when the duty manager entered the aircraft.
Exactly.
So for him to delay the aircraft for 20 minutes, isn't that a crime? Isn't that wrong?
Who is justifying that? Nobody is justifying that.
He was wrong.
Definitely.
So whatever his emotional outburst after delaying 115 passengers waiting to board in Delhi and those who are already sitting in the aircraft, he first needs to apologize to those people first for those actions. What he claims duty manager said or did to him is secondary, sir. He is wrong. He needs to apologize to the parliament. He needs to apologize to everybody because he misused the privilege accorded to him. That's the basic premise. I am catching the argument before you get to Sukumar.
He needs to apologize.
He's wrong there.
Sukumar.
That is not the case.
He needs to apologize to Mr. Sukumar.
Even your channel had...
Because the duty manager shouldn't have ever had to come on board the aircraft.
So may I reply?
Yeah.
See, even your channel had telecasted the occurrence and the what the other lady air hostess had given to the channel and in front of everybody, and she was also saying that, doing justice to this member of parliament also, that he was also sober.
Mr. Naveen Chomal, you have spoken for 4 minutes at the last count. Mr. Naveen Chomal, 4 minutes you have spoken. Can I speak now? Today there is a statement that has been released by your client, Mr. Ravindra Gaikwad. What does he say in that statement? He says, after the incident, Senior Assistant General Manager of Air India approached me and tendered an apology and requested me to alight from the plane. So he's admitting that he got an apology from the Air India staffers. He's admitting that he was not alighting the plane. It's after he got the apology. He was asked to alight from the plane. He says, he accompanied me till the staircase. In this matter, the media was provided with the video footage which don't reveal the complete picture. A part of the scuffle was aired in the section of the media. Now the point is, the apology was given to him on the flight by Air India. Yet, has Mr. Ravindra Gaikwad come out and had the courtesy to apologize to Mr. Sukumar, who he beat up 25 times with his sandal? Has he had the gumption to come out and apologize? Should he not be apologizing before asking about his privileges in parliament, before his members of parliament from his political party begin to start going to the speaker? Should he not be apologizing to the country, to this gentleman called Sukumar? Should he not be apologizing to the people of this country who have elected and sent him to parliament?
Let's just talk about the moral character of this gentleman for 5 seconds. If you're talking about moral character, let's talk about
the law of the land does not allow.
The moral character of this wonderful gentleman. He assaulted a guy, and now the Shiv Sena, as opposed to decrying the thing, they've called for a band in Osmanabad, where he's the MP from. They went out there in a bike rally like this is an audition for roadies, and basically said that, hey, we are totally siding with him. There is no sign. expecting somebody from the Shiv Sena to apologize is like asking Ravindra Jadeja to become a fast bowler who opens bowling for India. It is humanly impossible. He has very little moral character.
Please don't deviate.
No, he's making a very valid point.
I've at least made a better point than you have, sir, so far. In my 30 seconds, I've made a better point than you have. How can you defend the moral character of a man who, by the way, has so many accusations?
And no law defends it.
The Shiv Sena keeps getting away with this. They keep defending each other. This is the one thing they unite for. How can they unite over this thing? This is the one. There's so many other issues in this country for them to unite over. This is what they choose. This is the line in the sand that they draw. They're like, this is what we stand for. We stand for gundagardi. Jaake chappal utha ke kisi ko bhi maar do. That's worth defending. That's what we want in our entire country. Get away with whatever you want.
That is not what I'm saying. That is not what I'm. Whatever crime he has done, there are courts to look into it, and it will be proved. He will be punished. But the punishment, the hanging cannot take on the.
But what?
He's an MP.
He should surrender.
He should surrender.
Cannot pass the judgment.
He should surrender.
Those privileges.
Naveen
He should go and surrender before the police station.
Will you
He should go
advise
to the
him to
police station.
surrender?
He should surrender.
Will you advise him to
He has
surrender?
got the right under the law to approach the court. Explain the
Did he have the right to delay the plane? Did he have the right to beat the
He should
duty
surrender.
manager? Did he have the right
Based on the
to abuse
FIR,
him?
he should
Did he have the
surrender.
right? No.
Yeah, nobody has the right to beat
So when he did not, when he disregarded his duties, why
He
should
should
he
go and surrender.
1 minute.
Mr. Hussain Dalwai,
1 minute,
one thing.
gentlemen.
If parliamentarians have a very big responsibility, they cannot just set some wrong precedents. He may have done wrong.
So he set a wrong precedent.
Apologizing
He
is
has
the
not
wrong
done wrong.
precedent.
How dare you say that?
Apologizing
How
is
dare
the
you
wrong
say that?
precedent.
And not
Mr.
actually
Naveen
condoned.
Chomal.
How dare you say
Mr.
that?
Naveen Chomal.
How dare you say he has not done
Naveen
wrong?
Chomal. 1 minute. 1 minute. On this panel, now I have to get into this,
How dare
Mr.
you say
Naveen
that?
Chomal. You are saying apology by Mr. Ravindra Gaikwad would be a wrong precedent, but beating up somebody with a sandal 25 times is the right precedent. Is that the point? No, that's exactly what you said.
Of course you said.
That's exactly what you said. I think
Of course you
everybody
said
on the panel heard
Did I
you.
even say so?
Of course you
Let me
said.
take a head
Of course you
down.
said.
Let me take. Bejon Mishra says that
Of course you said that. You said that he did something
Let me go across
wrong.
to Shazia Ilmi.
You said he did something wrong.
Shazia
You
Ilmi, did
confessed.
you hear him say that or not?
You said he did
Shazia
something
Ilmi,
wrong.
did you hear him
You
say
did
that
say
or not?
that he shouldn't have done this. You did say that.
No,
Now don't get back.
Navika,
Now don't try to withdraw your words.
Navika.
You said that.
Navika, look at
You
the-
said it on this television show.
No.
You
Naveen, please
readily
allow
agreed
this to speak.
that he
Naveen,
shouldn't have
allow
done
this
that.
to speak. You are
He should go and
justifying this
surrender.
act.
He should
You're
go and
justifying
surrender.
this man, but the
If you
fact
are a
is-
true
Who's this guy
lawyer,
shouting?
you should
No
make him go and
shouting is your
surrender.
justification of this
Okay.
You
behavior.
should go and make him
Okay,
surrender.
okay,
Shazia Ilmi,
gentlemen.
please. Shazia
Let
Ilmi.
Why are you
me
shouting,
also
sir?
get into
Why
Mr.
are you
Hussain
shouting?
Dalwai.
Shazia Ilmi,
Let me,
Shazia Ilmi.
1 minute,
Yes.
1 minute.
आप
Let
क्यों
me
चिल्ला
get-
रहे हैं
let-
भाई? अरे
let me
शांति
get-
से बात कीजिए
Shazia Ilmi,
प्लीज
yeah.
कायदे से बात
Shazia
कीजिए
Ilmi, Shazia Ilmi, 1 minute. Shazia Ilmi,
Calm
let
down.
me go across to Mr.
Let us
Hussain
maintain
Dalwai.
I want to make just a small point.
The
You can ask me
senior
another
member
question.
of parliament.
I want to
One minute.
make a point. I just want to make a small point.
Yes, Shazia.
Okay, go on.
All I want to say is, clearly this man has a problem. You can see the streak of violence in him. He cannot, obviously, he has not just anger management issues, but huge problems. So instead of his party backing him and vilifying Air India, which has done the right thing, because they have to protect the passengers and passenger safety, this man should be counseled.
No, but here is the
if
problem,
he needs to be
Shazia.
taken to some
Here is the
asylum
problem,
or
Shazia.
psychiatry ward.
Okay,
The
so
Amna
Hussain
on
Dalwai,
social
to
media,
fix the
and he has said Sena ka hu BJP
Instead
ka
of
nahi.
defending him right now.
So when he has
people
said
are
Sena ka
defending
hu
him is
BJP ka
also equally to be
nahi,
blamed.
it's now become a prestige and an ego issue. How can they come out and apologize
Exactly.
and say that you apologize? Because he has said Sena ka hu BJP ka nahi. He said that with that much
Exactly.
of passion. 15-25 mara. Or
So those are the-
I wanted to throw him
और
off. He said all
confess
of that
कर रहा
by
है.
saying Uddhav Thackeray hai,
Yes,
मुझे
can you
बचा
imagine?
लेंगे.
Can you imagine how deluded
If
he
he
is?
said all of that,
What
they've
is
now made
something
it a
to be
prestige
ashamed
issue.
of? See the
So
poor man.
why is he
You just see how
deluded?
pathetic.
His party
But
has
Anand,
backed him.
Anand, this is the
His
thing.
party has
Something
backed
that he
him.
should be utterly
Mr.
ashamed
Hussain
of.
Dalwai.
You're boasting.
1 minute.
This man
Shazia
is
Ilmi,
boasting.
Shazia Ilmi, let me get in Mr. Hussain Dalwai.
The worst
Mr.
qualities
Hussain Dalwai.
of human decency.
We haven't
is
heard a
boasting.
word
Agree.
coming in terms
that
of
just shows how
reprimand
deluded
to
he is.
Mr. Ravindra Gaikwad. 1 minute, Shazia Ilmi. Please let me get in Hussain Dalwai. Mr. Hussain Dalwai, the question is that the Shiv Sena has not uttered one single word reprimanding Mr. Ravindra Gaikwad. The question is, if an MP in your party were to behave in such a manner, would you actually first reprimand him before raising the issue of privileges of members of parliament, as was done by the Shiv Sena today in the Rajya Sabha and in the Lok Sabha? Should you not be talking about reprimanding the member of parliament who has crossed his line?
No, he has crossed his limits. No doubt, he is absolutely wrong, and he should apologize. That nobody is justifying him. Only thing is that there are many incidences that not only Air India but all airways, they harass the people, they harass the passengers, and if they can do such things with the MPs, then how they should be treating the others.
Why don't
and
sir,
one
if
thing is
the
that
MPs decide
जरा मेरा सुनिए यार, कौन ये बीच में बोल रहा है, जरा हमारा सुनिए ना,
आप क्यों
बुलाते हो, हमारा सुनते भी नहीं, ये क्या बात है?
जैसे आपको इरिटेशन हो रही है,
आप सब अच्छे हैं,
जो जनता देख रही है ना, उनको भी यही इरिटेशन हो रही है। दलवाई साहब
की बात आप करते हो, जरा सुनिए।
हुसैन साहब,
दलवाई साहब, लोगों की आवाज आप तक पहुंचनी बंद हो गई है।
थोड़ा सा मैंने आपको टोक दिया, आप गुस्सा हो गए।
दलवाई साहब,
थोड़ा सा मैंने आपको टोक दिया, आप गुस्सा हो गए।
नेता लोग जो है स्पीच देते देते मगन हो गए हैं।
उनमें भी यही आक्रोश है कि उनको कोई नहीं सुनता। उनकी तो ये नेता सुनते ही नहीं है। जनता आज कह रही है कि रविंद्र गायकवाड़ को माफी
नेता
मांगनी
लोग
चाहिए,
स्पीच
पर कोई
देने
सुन
में
नहीं
इतने
रहा।
माहिर हो गए हैं कि लोगों की बात नहीं पहुंचती उनके कान तक। Okay, Suhail said you want to say the point clearly. Our politicians only like to speak, they don't like to hear.
हुसैन साहब गुस्सा मत होइए। हुसैन साहब आप गुस्सा मत होइए।
Suhail said.
हुसैन साहब आप गुस्सा मत होइए।
आप मुझे बोलने देने
हुसैन साहब, मैं बड़ी विनम्रता से आपको कह रहा हूँ,
क्या आपका ये चैनल जो है ना,
मैं तो अभी उन्होंने मेरे को कहा बोलना,
आपस में इतनी गड़बड़ करते हो।
सब एक मिनट रुके। नवीन चोमल
पर हमें मत मारिएगा।
नवीन चोमल, we fail to understand how Ravindra Gaikwad could get away with that, and he is still roaming around. Of course, that's what he has done, sir. You are representing Ravindra Gaikwad, and he has mocked India today. How dare his team, his crew go around Osmanabad calling for a bandh? How dare he think that he can get away with the way he's behaved with the duty manager? No, so then don't mock India. If you are mocking India, India will come back and mock you, sir. If you mock India, India will come back and mock you, and that's exactly what's happening. If you don't get a chance to get a word in, it frustrates you, right? So look what the people think. Look what the people think when जो उनका हक है कोई और मार के ले जाता है.
You can do about defending Mr. Ravindra Gaikwad. There is nothing you can do about defending Mr. Ravindra Gaikwad. You have yourself said that what he has done is...
Ravindra Gaikwad को समझाओ. Ravindra Gaikwad को समझाओ.
1 minute. Let's just get 1 minute. Mr. Naveen Chomal,
you explain that to Ravindra Gaikwad.
Okay, Mr. Naveen Chomal, you'll have to stop talking because there are other panelists who want to talk. Suhail Seth wants to make a point.
I think the 2 points that have been made.
Okay, Naveen Chomal,
can I finish?
Suhail Seth is making a point.
Air India
yes,
has had bad service, so they deserved it. And the second, let the law take its course. Yes. The first point is ridiculous.
Hussain Saab.
Okay, Suhail Seth.
Hussain Saab.
Suhail Seth.
हुसैन साहब,
मेरा सुनने वाले होंगे तो
मैं बड़ी विनम्रता से आपको ये कहना चाहता हूं, नहीं हुसैन साहब, मैं बड़ी विनम्रता से ये बोल रहा हूं कि आप भी जानते हैं कि आदमी की फित्र कभी कभी उसे धोखा दे जाती है, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, सलीम खान साहब ने एक बहुत बढ़िया एक डायलॉग लिखा था कि आदमी पहाड़ों की ऊंचाइयों से गिर के अपने आप को संभाल सकता है, पर अगर अपनी आंखों में गिर गया तो वो कभी नहीं संभल सकता। गायकवाड़ जी अपनी आंखों में नहीं, इस देश के हर वासी की आंखों में गिरे हुए इंसान हैं। जब तक वो माफी नहीं मांगेंगे, जब तक उन्हें अपने एक्शंस के ऊपर कोई रिमोर्स नहीं होगा, तो लोग सिर्फ उनको नहीं, सब एमपीज के ऊपर एक डाउट होगा। इसीलिए मैं आपको यह कहना चाहता हूं कि प्लीज डोंट डिफेंड द इनडिफेंसिबल। today more than
That's
ever
the
before
point.
for no rhyme or reason.
Can-
not depending.
The entire
You are
community of
absolutely wrong.
parliamentarians
You are
is being
unnecessarily
clubbed
alleging
together,
them.
which
You should
doesn't
make
need
it
to happen.
Mr.
It's all about defending
Okay,
him.
last comment to
The
Mr.
way he
Hussain
has done,
Dalwai. Last
it is
comment.
सर मैंने
absolutely
इतने
wrong.
प्यार से इतनी विनम्रता से आपसे
मैंने मेरा-
बात की
No, I want to-
आपने
I have a suggestion.
किस लिहाज से
मैं-
जवाब दिया
I'm
मैंने
not
आपसे
depending.
प्यार से विनम्रता से बात की
1 minute, Mr.
मैं ये
Hussain
बोल रहा,
Dalwai,
मैं
please.
डिपेंड कर
Mr.
और देखिए आपकी
आई एम
response-
नॉट डिपेंडिंग।
तो आप रिस्पॉन्ड करो फिर।
देखिए मैं
What is
मैंने
the
आपसे
one point
प्यार से
that you
बात
would
की
like to
आपने
advise
प्यार के
Mr.
जगह
Gaikwad?
आपने प्यार के जगह फिर एक
अरे यार प्यार से मैं बात करता हूँ, आपको प्यार करने आता नहीं, आपको बात करने की आदत ऐसे हमारे ऊपर अटैक ही करते रहते हो। जरा सुनिए ना दूसरे का।
हाँ जी, आप बोलिए।
जरा ये आदत
आखिरी
करिए
आखिरी
दूसरे
वर्ड
का सुनने
आपकी।
की।
आप सर थोड़ा सा ठीक है, आप बोलिए आज अभी आप बोलिए।
ऐसा है कि जिस तरह से उन्होंने
प्यार तो
किया,
करना
वो
आता
बिल्कुल
है।
गलत है, उसने उसके लिए माफी मांगनी चाहिए। अभी
जी।
बीच में बोले आप,
जी जी आप बोलिए।
ये क्या आपको आदत है?
नहीं नहीं, ये बाकी पैनलिस्ट बोल रहे हैं और
आप
कोई
जरा
नहीं बोल रहा है।
सुनिए।
जी, हाँ। अच्छा आप बोलिए हुसैन साहब।
वो बिल्कुल गलत है उसका, नो डाउट, लेकिन एयरवेज जो जिस तरह से लोगों को तकलीफ देते हैं उसकी भी ये करनी चाहिए। वो आप से बाहर क्यों हो
Okay.
गया? Why he was so
Vilify
much
the
angry?
airlines.
वो भी आप लोगों ने सोचना चाहिए। इतना ही मेरा कहना है।
Okay. Vilify on day 5. The parliamentarians are unanimous in their opinion. Vilify Air India. Vilify the airlines. Don't ask questions. Don't expect an apology from Ravindra Vishwanath Gaikwad.
No,
but ask questions of Air India. Ask
Arey
questions
bhaiya,
of the other
I
airlines
tell you
that
that he
have
should
banned him.
apologize.
That is the class of members of parliament, that is the class of our netas who want to put their privileges above everything else, above even the basic courtesies, the basic self-respect that an Aam Aadmi deserves. Well, we leave the jury's out on that one, viewers. It's for you to decide which way the netas are going and which way you would want them to go. The jury's out for our viewers to decide. Thank you very much to all our panelists for joining Anand and me here on debate number 1. We'll take a quick break and be back with debate number 2 on kebab politics. Don't go away.